What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to focus on how to record a voiceover inside of Premiere Pro. Now let's get started. And if you enjoy these videos and you want to see more like it, please subscribe to the channel because I'm constantly creating new content. Now, first things first, we need to make sure that we have a microphone connected. So let's head up here to Premiere Pro, to the drop-down menu, and we're going to go to Preferences. You can click just on General, and it'll bring up the General window. Head down here where it says Audio Hardware, click on that, and then just go to the right and you're going to see Default Input. Right now my external microphone is connected, which is the Yeti X, but yours might say built-in microphone. If that's the case, just click the drop-down menu, find your external mic, and then click on it. Now once you have that selected, so you know that's the mic that you're going to be using, click OK. Head down in the timeline, and we'll go down to the audio tracks. Let me drag this up a little bit. So you'll notice I have a few audio tracks. I have audio track 1, audio track 2, audio track 3, and 4. Now I've dedicated audio track 3 to being voiceover, which I've renamed it. You can see there. On the right side here, you'll see the icon of the microphone. That's the button you're going to click record. Now make sure whichever track you're on that has the microphone that you click, that's the track it's going to record. So if I go up here and I click on this microphone, it's going to record over whatever audio is here. And this is grayed out because I've locked it. But if that's unlocked and I click it, it'll record over the music. But I have mine in, so I'm ready to go. Now I'm going to put an endpoint here just for reference to see how it works when you click record, because it's going to backpedal a few steps to then do a countdown to then record exactly where you want to go. And you're going to see up here in the top right in the video, you're going to see a countdown number. It's going to go 3, 2, 1, and then you record. So when you back it up, you're going to see it back up here. Don't panic. It's doing the countdown to the place you want to start. So I want to start right here on this endpoint. Now, one thing I want to make sure, if you don't have headphones on, and if you have audio on, make sure to turn your audio all the way down to completely off. Because if you don't, there's going to be reverb. It's going to record the sound from the speakers, and it's going to be bad news. So always just make sure your audio is completely off. And I'm going to start. So I'm going to head down to audio 3, which I want. I'm going to click the record button, and like I said, you're going to see the playhead back up and do a countdown to that point. And I'm not going to record until it hits this point. And you'll see the number in the monitor also. So then now you start recording, and you can also see the red recording tab here at the bottom notifying you that now is the time. And you can do this for multiple reasons if you're doing a voiceover. Also, if you're trying to correct maybe some bad sound or some speech that was maybe mumbled, or a train or some sort of sound or something that stopped it, you can record over it. And then you're just going to come down here to the same exact microphone you clicked at start, and you're going to stop it. And it stops, and you'll notice it put that chunk exactly in that same order. And I'm going to back up here, and I'm going to turn my volume up because I had turned it off. And I'm going to let this play. So then now you start recording, and you can also see the red recording tab here at the bottom notifying you that now is the time. And you can do this for multiple reasons if you're doing a voiceover. And that's it. And now it places it there in the audio track 3. You'll also notice here on the left in your source panel, it's added an audio clip. And then you can also name it whatever you want for reference. You can just do voiceover, test, or whatever you want to call it, and click on that. And there you go. And now it's saved it in the project panel. And then you have it here on the timeline. And you can also, let me move this. And you can also move it anywhere you want, like you would a normal clip. And that is how you record a voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, if you enjoyed that video and you learned something, please hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more videos like that, please subscribe to the channel. That being said, have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. Later.